Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and today's build is the Protus Colossus from StarCraft. Let's go. Alright, so how it works essentially is that the Protus Colossus has legs that move based upon the gears and a motor connected to a battery base connected to a smart hub. So we'll break down the pieces. Okay, so right here you can see the gears, all these gears right here, the black and gray ones. You got these two big ones here and a smaller one in the middle, and then you have on the other side another gear that's connected to the motor. So this motor you see right here is connected to this gear and to all these other gears via this axle. So you see how when I move this axle right here, it moves all the other gears. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, all the other gears are moving. That's because this axle that connects the gear, that connects to the motor, connects to all the other gears. So when this one gear over here on the left turns from the motor, it turns all the other gears by this axle, right? So we have an axle, and then we have gears that connect to an axle, and then we have motors that connect to gears, right? So all of that gets its power. All of the motor gets its power from this power base right here. It's the battery, and it's also the smart hub, because that's where we send our code. Here's our code. We send our code to the smart hub, which then tells the motor to move for however long we want it to move for. All right, so when I play my code, this is what happens. Alright, that is the Protus Colossus. Hope you had fun. If you'd like to build your own Protus Colossus, you can find the step-by-step instructions in the description. Hope you had a nice time. See you soon.